Here's how you get the Hiccup physique. He's 6'1" and weighs 190 pounds, so his maintenance is around 2,600 calories. He's skinny with not much muscle mass, unlike the other Vikings. However, I did some research and I found out why. At 15, he stood at just 5'1" and was about the same height as Astrid. It wasn't until 2 years later that he grew over 12 inches and became the 6'1" we know now. This kind of growth requires insane genetics, and it's why he hasn't filled out his frame yet. Hiccup's training program is also out now on Carafix.com. It'll show you how to get and surpass his physique. Good luck.